Hello students, today I will discuss about the biofuel and tidal energy that is the part of power plant engineering study in the 7th semester. The first slide is the biofuel energy. Biofuel energy industry overview. Development of the biofuel is at a nascent stage in India but is being actively pursued to reduce India dependence on the oil imports. You know very well oil is very less available in India country, so that's why biofuel will be made as another type of renewable energy sources. With the 70% of the crude oil requirement being met through the imports, the government is promoting use of biofuels. Biofuels primarily comprises of ethanol that is made from sugarcane, molasses, biodiesel it is made from the Jatropha seeds. Biofuels has a significant growth potential in India due to government initiative mechanism to expand production capacity and minimize price fluctuations of key raw materials. That is a mapping of biofuel production distribution of biofuel in India. Suppose that if you taking off yellow line, that is the ethanol and mixed petrol, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Jadorpa biodiesel that is comes into the Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha. Ethanol and Jatharpa was found in the Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Biofuel drivers and the challenge. What are the drivers? That is the increasing energy demand and the rising of the oil prices day by day. National biofuel policies increasing or changing day by day. Support from automobile the manufacturers, that is the main reason to change and taking of challenge of biofuel. That is the raw material supply constraint, food versus fuel, that is another thing, and lack of cost competitiveness, that is the another thing of the biofuel drivers. Another thing is the another renewable energy source that is called tidal energy. You know that about the from the childhood, a form of hydropower that converts the energy of tides into the electricity or other useful form of power, that is called a tidal. The first large scale tidal power plant, the Rance Tidal Power Station, started operation in 1966. Historically, tide mills have been used both in Europe and on the Atlantic coast of the North America. What is a tidal energy technology? There are basically two methodology for creating tidal power. By building semi-permeable barriers across estuaries with a high tidal range to dam the water, barriers allows tidal water to fill an estuary via slices and to empty through turbines. That is the main significance of tidal energy. By harnessing offshore tidal streams. Tidal stream can be harnessed using the offshore underwater devices similar to wind turbines. Tidal energy India. Since India is surrounded by a sea on three slides, its potential to harness tidal energy has been recognized by the Government of India. Potential sites for the tidal power development have already been located. Most attractive locations are the Gulf of the Ambe and the Gulf of the Kutch. On the west coast, where the maximum tidal range is 11 meter and the 8 meter with the average tidal range of 6.77 meter and 5.23 meter respectively. The Gange Delta in the Sundarbans in the West Bengal also good location where the tidal energy will be produced. For small scale tidal power development, the maximum tidal range in the Sundarbans is approximately 5 meter with an average of tidal range of 2.97 meter. Tidal schedule vary from day to day since the orbit moon does not occur on a regular 24-hour daily schedule. Because of it depends on the Earth and Moon, that is the variation of schedule. Instead, Moon rotates around the Earth every 24 hours 50 minutes. During this time, ride, tide raises and falls twice, resulting in a tidal cycle which lasted for a 12 hours 25 minutes. Tidal range equal to water elevation at a high tide minus of the water elevation at a low tide. rise and falls of water level follow a sinusoidal curve. The average of time for water level to fall from A to B approximately equal to 6 hours 12.5 minutes. During full moon, new moons, when the sun, moon, and earth are approximately in one line, the gravitational forces of sun and moon are at enhanced level, making high tides, which are called spring tides. Near the first and the third quarters of moons, the sun and moon are at right angles to the earth. Neap tides of the tidal range of small occur. Ranges varies during 29.5 day lunar month. It is a maximum at the time of new and full moons, spring tide, and the minimum at the time of first and the third quarter moons, neap tide. In a single basin, single effect tidal power scheme, the basin is filled by keeping the slices open and letting the water flow from the sea to basin during the high tide. Power is produced by letting the water flow from the basin to the sea through the turbines during the low tide. In a linked basin, double basin, single effect power scheme, there are two basins on the land side with the powerhouse located in the barrier between the two basins. Power is generated by water flowing from high basin to low basin through turbines and water flowing from the low basin to sea during the low tide. Thank you. Tomorrow I will discuss another kinds of the renewable energy sources